Assalamu alaikum students, class 7 revision mensuration. Question number 4. A rectangular hall is 20 meter long, length is equal to 20 meter and 12 meter wide, breadth is equal to 12 meter. Its floor is to be covered with square slabs of side 40 centimeter. We have to cover the whole rectangular hall with the square slab, so we have to find the area of the rectangular hall and the length of the slab is given, so we have to find the area of the square slab. Determine the cost of the slab required if the cost of a single slab is rupees 15. So first of all we have to find the area of the rectangular hall. Length of a hall 20 meter, breadth of a hall 12 meter, area of the hall L multiplied by B, length multiplied by breadth 20 meter multiplied by 12 meter, that is equal to 240 meter square. Length of square slab is equal to 40 centimeter. So all the units are in meters, so we have to convert the centimeter into meters, so we have to divide it into 100 meters. So we get the answer 0.4 meter. So now this is the length of the square slab. So area of the square slab is length multiplied by length, that is equal to 0.4 meter multiplied by 0.4 meter, and we get the answer 0.16 meter square. Now we have to find the number of slabs required. We have to divide the area of the hall over area of the slab. So after removing this point, we get 100 in the numerator, and we have to cut 240 and 16 on the table of 2, on the table of 8, 8 2s are 16 and 8 3s are 24 and 0 as it is. Then 30 over 2 multiplied by 100, and on the table of 2 1s are 2 and 2 15s are 30 multiplied by 100. So 15 multiplied by 100 is equals to 1500. Now this is a given the question that cost of one tile is rupees 15. So we have to find the cost of 1500 tiles. So that is equal to 15 multiplied by 1500. So we get the answer 22,500 rupees is the cost of 1500 tiles. Question number 5. The area of a rectangular region is 840 square meter. The area of rectangular region is given and its breadth is 15 meter. Find its parameter. So parameter of a rectangular region is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So we have to know about the length and breadth. Breadth is given, so we have to find the length of the rectangular region with the help of the area of the rectangular region. And as we know that the area of a rectangular region is equals to length multiplied by breadth. So first of all we have to return the given data. Area of rectangular region is equal to 840 meter square is given in the question. Breadth of rectangular region is equal to 15 meter is also given. So parameter of the rectangular region P is equal to 2 into length plus breadth have to be found. So first of all we have to find the length of the rectangular region with the help of the area of rectangle, that is equals to length multiplied by breadth. So we have to put the given values. Area of the rectangle is equal to 840 meter square. Length we have to find, and B is equals to 15 meter. So 15 L के साथ multiply हो रहा है, then it has to be divided with 840 and we get the answer after cancellation is L is equals to 56 meter is the length of the rectangular region. Now put the value of length and breadth into this formula to get the parameter of the rectangular region. So perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, and length is equal to 56 meter and breadth is equal to 15 meter is given in the question. 56 meter plus 15 meter is equals to 71 meter. Equal to 71 meter, and 2 into 71 meter, that is equal to 142 meter is the parameter of the rectangular region. Question number 6. A field in the form of a parallelogram has base 15 meter and altitude 8 meter. Find the cost of watering the field at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter. This is your homework. First of all you have to find the area of the parallelogram, that is equal to base into altitude. Then you have to multiply it with 20. Okay, now move to question number 7. The area of a rhombus is 80 square meter and its perimeter is 40 meter. Find its altitude. Diagonals are not given on the rhombus, only area and perimeter given. We have to find the altitude of the rhombus. So area of rhombus is equal to 80 meter square. Perimeter of rhombus is equal to 40 meter is given in the question. We have to find the altitude of rhombus. As we know that the parameter of rhombus is equal to 4 into length. 40 meter we have to put the given values. Parameter is equal to 40 meter and 4 is as it is, and length 4 यहाँ L के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, उस दूसरे पे जाकर डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 40 over 4 meter is equal to L. Then we get the answer length is equal to 10 meter. Now we have to find the area of the rhombus, that is equal to length multiplied by altitude. Area of rhombus given 80 meter square is equal to length is equal to 10 meter and altitude we have to find. So altitude after cancellation we get altitude is equal to 8 meter. Question number 8. The base and the corresponding altitude of a triangle are 12 cm and 8 cm respectively. It means the base of the triangle is 12 cm and altitude of triangle is 8 cm. We have to find the area of the triangle. As we know that the area of a triangle is equals to 1/2 base into height. So base is equal to 12 cm and multiply by 8 cm. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 into 8, 48 cm square is the area of the triangle whose base is 12 cm and altitude is 8 cm.